Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best cheap 3D printers available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best cheap 3D printers, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3, faster and lively printing experience. Ender 3v3 SAE 3D printer can print at up to speed 250 mm per second with acceleration 2500 mm per square second, faster than most of printers on the market. You can complete models efficiently, saving time to wait for print jobs. Moreover, it can keep good printing quality at the same time. The optimized UI uses motion graphics to display the leveling process and other parameters, so you will know how the printer is doing at a glance, providing you a perfect printing experience. Creality Ender 3v3 SAE 3D printer is easy to put together in 3 steps within about 20 minutes only. It equips CR Touch for auto leveling and strain sensor for auto Z offset. It is easy to get a perfect first layer. Leveling is the important process before printing. It usually makes customers in trouble. This printer can save your time in leveling and easily start to print, which is friendly to all of customers including the beginners. The Sprite Direct Extruder of Ender 3v3 SAE enables smooth feeding of various filaments, including PLA, PETC, and TPU, and the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. Creality Ender 3v3 SAE, dual Z-axis synced by a quality timing belt, ensuring high print quality. The rigid dual Z-axis lead screws reduce Z wobbling effectively. The Y-axis features two 8mm linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, which underpins a steady and accurate motion of the build platform for a lasting time. Number 2. Ankemake M5C 3D printer. With Power Boost 2.0 technology and Ultra Direct Extruder, Ankemake M5C can achieve printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second while maintaining 0.1 mm precision, so you can create quality models faster and more efficiently. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can control the printer, monitor the status of your prints, and transfer sliced models directly from your mobile device. The user-friendly Ankemake app is easy to use for beginners and pros alike. This all-new feature supports up to 50 meters resolution when using a 0.2 mm nozzle. Supported by multiple advanced algorithms, it makes fine printing faster and more efficient than ever before. With durable components and a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end, this 3D printer is durable and versatile. It can handle a wide range of filament materials like PLA, PETC, ABS, TPU, and PLACF, carbon fiber. This 3D printer has 49.7x7 automatic bed leveling, an integrated design for easy installation, and power and filament outage recovery functions. The flexible magnetic plate provides a stable and easy to remove printing surface, making it an ideal choice for beginners. Number 3. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Neptune 4 Plus is equipped with powerful Clipper firmware, enable impressive printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second, default 250 mm per second, and up to 12,000 mm per second accelerations. Rapid filament is recommended for high-speed mode. Bigger build volume, 12.59 x 12.59 x 15.15/320 by 320 by 385. Larger build volume. Neptune 4 Plus help you create larger models or multiple smaller objects in a single print, expanding your creative possibilities. Support input shaping and pressure advancing, and acceleration sensors on the X and Y axes for automatic calibration, reduce impact of vibration on the printing accuracy. You can get precise details, amazing quality and fast printing all at the same time. Self-developed dual gear direct drive extruder has a 5.2:1 reduction ratio, providing powerful extrusion and smoother filament feeding. Paired with metal throat pipe and unique air duct design to reduce nozzle clogging risk. High-temp nozzle with extended hot end design, 60 watts ceramic heating element and PID parameters automatic calibration, ensures faster and smoother melting and extrusion, can handle various filament materials as PLA, PETC, ABS, TPU and nylon. Powerful double-sided cooling fans and model cooling blower fans prevent warping and enhance print quality. Various connect options including Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN. Just start your printing jobs with a one-key file transfer. Number 4. Toy Box 3D Printer. Built to be used by children, Toy Box can be controlled with simple one-touch functions. No adult assistance needed, no need to adjust removable print bed, easy filament loading and novel print bed design that doesn't require a knife to remove prints like most 3D printers. Thousands of awesome toys are available at your fingertips in our Toy Box catalog. New toys added weekly and seasonally. Upload designs to create your own toys or draw them and bring them to life through our user-friendly apps and tools. Your creations are stored on the cloud for easy access. Our printer has a great form factor. It is a small convenient size and can connect to the cloud through Wi-Fi, making it a standalone computer. 30-day no reason free return policy and 6-month warranty period. Our customer support team is also available for any questions or help needed setting your device. Number 5. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Experience unparalleled speed and precision with the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer. With an impressive acceleration of 10,000 mm/s². The A1 Mini delivers blazing fast printing while maintaining exceptional accuracy and detail in your prints. Unlock your creativity with vibrant and multicolored 3D prints. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printers make multicolor printing accessible and reliable for everyone, bringing your designs to life in stunning detail. Note: AMS light required. Get A1 Mini combo or buy AMS lights separately. Say goodbye to manual calibration hassles. The A1 Mini 3D printer takes care of all the calibration processes automatically, ensuring optimal performance for every print. Enjoy a seamless printing experience with precise Z offset, bed leveling, and more. Achieve consistently smooth prints with active flow rate compensation. The algorithm actively compensates the flow rate according to the readings to extrude with accuracy, ensuring flawless prints.